Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to do what I've seen a lot of other people do because it looks really neat. And I want to play with this month's Boxycharm. Everyone is freaking out about it because one of the, I want to say creative directors, I don't know what she actually does, like what her title is there, but Gabby Trujillo, forgive me if I butcher it. Gabby T, let's call her Gabby T because that's her like Instagram name. She's friends with Kathleen Lights. She owns Alamar Cosmetics and she just came out with her very first palette, the Reina del Caribe palette, I think it's called, and it's in this month's Boxycharm. So this month's theme is Caribbean Queen. Anyway, that's a fucking awesome song. So once I saw that this month's theme was Caribbean Queen, it's been stuck in my head for a while. So honestly, I am loving the way that Boxycharm is doing the breakdown, the cost breakdown and the product breakdown now. This is what the box looks like. Super duper excited to play with shit in here. I'm going to start with this, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I think it's called Brazilian Crush, like the spray, the body spray. And I've had my eye on that Body Glow liquid stuff, but I'm not sure because this smells better than the spray. No, just kidding. It smells almost identical to the spray. The spray is just like slightly sweeter, but I'm not the biggest fan. I don't know. So that's this. I'm probably just gonna be like giving this to my sister or something. So that's that. Oh, and that tiny little thing it retails for $10. Next, we have some lashes. I peeked, obviously, and plus, I mean, I've seen other people unbox, and I think every single person got the exact same box this month, which is unusual for Boxycharm, but I'm not mad. These are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, and they retail for $28. Next in the box is this 3-pack of Luxie brushes, which I love Luxie brushes. I got my first ones, I want to say at Gen Beauty Toronto 2 years ago. I think they only did it the 1 year. 2 years? Why do I feel like they've done it 2 years? They haven't. It only happened 1 year and they're not coming back, which fucking blows. But this is a 3-pack of brushes and they retail for $42. You get the Precision Foundation brush, which is kind of like a thick paddle brush. I probably won't be using this for foundation. The tapered highlighter brush, which I already have one, but this one looks slightly different. Maybe just because it's been crushed in the package for a while. And you get the dual fiber powder brush. So this could actually, wow, this is really soft. Yeah, this could be used for like contour or even highlight, you know, if you don't want to use a highlight brush. But yeah, these are fantastic. Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. This retails for $21, and I was watching Kathleen's video, and apparently this is like a brand new shade, nowhere else in their collection. So it's pretty cool that we got it in the Boxycharm. There's a little eyeliner in here. This is from Jante Bleu. I don't know how to say that. It is in the shade Charcoal and retails for $5. And last, but definitely not least, the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. This retails for $28. And I actually, like, I follow Gabby, I follow Kathleen, you know. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. But yeah, I saw that this was happening. I saw that Gabby had, you know, her own makeup company and she was coming out with this eyeshadow palette, and I was actually going to order it. So I would have had two, which eventually I probably would have given in a giveaway, but I'm kind of happy that I didn't buy it because I don't know what kind of shipping there is and like if there's duties and shit like that. So I'm pretty stoked that I got it in the Boxycharm, and this is where we're gonna start today, folks. Okay, 134 American, which with how shit is going with Trump and Trudeau right now, I mean, soon that's gonna be like 6 grand. Oh, I need some brushes. I'm gonna start with Cocoa Taxi and kind of buff that all into the crease. Wow, look at me go. Brand new palette. Dunking in. Wow, okay. I didn't even get nervous. What the hell? It's blending nicely. There's like no fallout. Now I'm going to go into Tropico. A little smaller of a blending brush. Go into the crease and outer V a bit. That's very pigmented. Cool. And I'm putting like no pressure on my lid. See how far back I'm holding on the brush? There's like no pressure happening. And that's how much pigment is coming off. Cool! I'm gonna bring this a little bit under the lash line. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and buff that whole shit out. I want to try to use almost every color in this palette, if not every color. So I'm gonna go into Guantanamera and just kind of pack that on the outer corner there. I'm gonna take a little bit of Cafecito and just put that on the outer corner as well, like really densely pack it out there on the upper lash line as well as the lower lash line. Well, that's a little more pigmented than I anticipated. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm going to put all of those on my lid, all 3 of them. Why not? First, I'm going to spray my brush. Okay, so I'm going to go into Veradero and pick some of that up. Ooh, wow, that looks rich. Cool. And I'm going to concentrate that on, say, like middle of my lid to outer of my lid. Ooh, wowie, wow, wow. Holy fuck, that's nice. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Wow, okay. That is insane. Okay, different brush, but same style. It looked like I got punched in the eye. Spray it again. Now going into the Celia shade. Nice and rich. Good night. Oh, okay, these are so pretty. Oh my god. Yet another same style brush. How many of these do I have, you ask? I really don't know because I don't think I've seen them all in one place, but it's a lot. Spray again. And now I'm going into this El Malecon shade. Oh my god. This looks like it's gonna have fallout. I don't even care though, because it looks so fucking pretty. Hoo-wee! And that's gonna go on the inner part. Oh my Lanta. Alright. Oh, wow. Yeah, I can feel it falling on my face. But oh my god. I'm gonna that's so pretty. Watch me go in to my inner corner with this La Costa shade. And bam, I've used every shade in the palette. Mission accomplished. That's dry even. And you can still see it. Hot diggity. Not bad, not bad. Gabby. Great fucking work. Like you're actually watching this anyway. Wow though. Like this is so cool. I'm going to grab some more Guantanamera on a pencil brush and run that along my lower lash line. blend everything out with a little more Cocoa Taxi. I'm really liking this look. I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna do the other eye, and I think I'm gonna put the lashes on because I suck at putting lashes on camera. Okay, back with both eyes done. Liner, I used a Makeup Geek liner in Plumeria, and lashes are on. They have a nice curve to them. It's a kind of a thick band, not too huge a fan. Like, I can feel them. Not too huge a fan. I don't know. I don't like thick bands. I like the ones that are like really wiggly, like the clear bands, like Ardell's. Like, Ardell's are my favorite. Yeah, but I have those on. They went on fairly easily, and they're not overly dramatic to the point that you can't see the shadow on my lids, so that's cool. Yeah, onto the lip, because it looks like I don't have any right now. This is new from Ofra. It's a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Verona. Here, I don't wear browns. Looks like poop lips. I don't know about this. No. No, thank you. I'm gonna turn this light down because I feel like a little, what's the word? Overexposed. I hate this lip color. It's pretty comfortable though. We've gotten Ofra liquid lipsticks in our box before. I don't like any of the colors that they've given me. Loving the fucking eyes though. Like, I can't get over these. Best Boxycharm product ever. Wow, it feels like I'm not wearing anything on my lips. This is actually really comfortable. I just need a better shade. These are swatches of every shade in the palette, and they swatch just as nicely as they go on the lid. This is an amazing palette. If you are not signed up for Boxycharm, what are you waiting for, honestly? You get over $150 Canadian worth of product every month, and you get shit like this. You know, so incredible. I am floored with this month's box. Like, I've been happy with boxes before, but nothing like this. This is my favorite one. Maybe, probably, yeah. And I've been subscribed for 2 years. I've been subscribed since they started coming to Canada. So, get on it. Ooh, I didn't use the eyeliner. Don't care. I've heard pretty terrible things, actually. Anyway, that is it for this month's video. Thank you so much for hanging out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And maybe subscribe? I don't know. Up to you. I can't force you to do anything. Until next time, see ya.